Welcome to Asimcode. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will write Python code example for home value prediction using machine learning. We'll use a dataset. For example, the California housing dataset, available in scikit-learn, which is commonly used for regression tasks like predicting house prices based on various features, e.g., average income, housing median age, etc. This example will walk through data loading, pre-processing, model training, and evaluation using a simple regression model. Linear regression. Steps are: load the dataset, data pre-processing, split the dataset, train a regression model, evaluate the model. Import necessary libraries. One. Load the dataset. Here, we load the California housing dataset from scikit-learn. The dataset is stored in a dictionary-like object, so we convert it to a pandas data frame. We add the target column, which is the home value, the target variable. Show the first few rows of the data frame. 2. Data pre-processing. Before training, we need to prepare our data. We will handle missing values, if any, and separate features, x, and target, y, variables. Separate features, x, and target, y. Check for missing values, not needed in this case, but useful to check. 3. Split the dataset. We'll split the data into training and test sets. Typically, 80% of the data is used for training and 20% for testing. Four. Train a regression model. Here we will use linear regression, a common algorithm for continuous value prediction. Train the model using the training data. Five. Make predictions. Now, we use the trained model to predict the target, home values, for the test set. Six. Evaluate the model. To evaluate the performance of the model, we'll calculate mean squared error, MSE, R-squared, R2 score, which measures how well the model explains the variance of the target variable. Mean squared error. R-squared, R2 score, higher values indicate better model performance, 1 is perfect. Seven. Visualizing the results, optional, for better understanding of the predictions. Let's plot the true versus predicted values to visualize how well the model performed. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.